Hi guys, I am Engineer John Ray Pactoranan, and for this playlist, ang i-discuss natin is solution of nonlinear equations. So ano ba yung nonlinear equation, at the same time, paano ba natin siya sinosolve, and ano yung applications niya sa reality. So ngayon, subukan na natin to i-discuss properly. So sige, what are the topics na may encounter natin during this chapter? So, yung una is the definition, of course. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng root? 'Di ba? So, yun yung una natin kailangan malaman. And after natin ma-define kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng root, ang next na gagawin natin is i-discuss natin kung ano ba ang different methods ng pag-obtain nito. Okay, so for this chapter, we are going to discuss 4 methods, so which is madadaanan natin yan later on. So, ang sunod is the bisection method. How are we going to obtain the roots of the function using the bisection method? Next is the false position method. Same process, paano natin ma-obtain ang root using the false position. So, sunod is the Newton-Raphson method. That is another way of obtaining the root. And lastly is the second method. Okay, so yun yung ating topic for this lesson. So, what are the objectives of this chapter? So, at the end of this lesson, the students will be able to, yung una, kailangan yung ma-define kung anong ibig sabihin ng roots ng mga nonlinear equation. Pangalawa, madedetermine natin kung ano yung two main group of methods in solving the roots of nonlinear systems. Pangatlo, perform root finding using the bracketing method. Pang-apat, perform root finding using the open method. And lastly, i-determine natin kung anong method yung magbibigay ng most accurate value of the root. Kasi remember, in numerical methods, ang goal natin dito is to perform a nearest approximation. We cannot obtain the exact answer here, otherwise infinite yung iterations nyo. Okay? So, sige, i-define muna natin kung ano yung meaning ng roots. Okay? So, by definition, kung i-consider daw natin guys ang f of x as a function, the Greek letter c is the root of the function if f of c is equal to 0. So this is the very straightforward definition of the root, okay? So for instance, there is a function. If we are going to substitute whatever number this is, and if the result of the function is equal to 0, so ibig sabihin, yun na yung mismong root. So ganun lang kasimple yun. For example, prove that the set x of -3 and 5 are root of f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 15. So all we need to do is to prove this one. So for instance, i-substitute lang natin both the -3 and +5 in the function. So for instance, ito siya, for -3, f of -3 is equal to 3 squared minus 2 times -3 minus 15. Using your calculator, ang sagot natin dyan ay equal to 0. Just do the same for f of 5, that is 5 squared minus 2 times 5 minus 15 is equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin, dahil itong dalawang values na to, ang value niya kapag sinubstitute natin sa function ay 0, pwede na natin makonclude na yung -3 and +5 are the roots of the function. So, ganito lang yung definition ng root. Ganyan lang siya, class, kasimple. So, I hope naintindihan nyo dito sa video lecture na to kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng root. So, thank you so much.